Two top senior military generals were involved in two separate accidents on the same day last week Wednesday. The other one was fatal and General Philip Various Vanda's driver, Philip Chiwuzi, died. Sarapena mashoko bdanyi kwachinzi top two military generals involved in water accidents same day driving Chivhayo's cars. Not by subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina mnamubdanyi kwamchinzi in the other accident. The notorious first organization founder General Water of Mane escaped a near fatal crash in Kadoma on the safe day. The family of Sergeant Philip Chiwuzi, the trusted personal driver to Zimbabwe Defense Forces ZDF commander General Philip Various Vanda, has confirmed his death following a violent car crash along the Bulawayo-Harare highway. What began yesterday as unverified chatter in military circles has now been publicly confirmed by both the Chiwuzi family and the General Vanda himself. Anoposta mapictures ya murukona awa zvitiko zviriitika panguva ino yatikona kuti zimai rubudanyo rachiti panguva ino zvinhu zvoitika panguva ino amene mapawo consolidations here kana kuti ma-issues successions, we never know, but panguva ino these two top military generals achitsakatika ma-accidents panguva ino zvichinzi they were driving Chivhayo cars. Chinhu panguva ino chaita kuti vanhu varaise ma-questions nema-question mark vachiti zviri safe here izvi. Mbodidzai mafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mudze mafunguro enyu, musava subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.